Evening all present here. Health is wealth. This pandemic has taught us how to be self-disciplined with diet and physical exercises. It's very important to take care of our health to safeguard ourselves from the life-threatening virus. To ensure the well-being of our staff and students, this wellness program is conducted. Today, here we have with us Mr. Pri Krishnan Balaji, MA Yoga, President of Sri Patanjali Maharishi Yogalayam Trust. He is the first disciple of Sri Sadguru Rajayogi N. Devarajan. He is preaching Sri Patanjali Maharishi Yogas for the past 33 years. He has won awards like International Yoga Award, Ramanujam Award, Buddha Bodhi Dharma Award, Yoga Kalai Ratnam Award, Lifetime Achievement Award, Yoga Kalaimani, Yoga Ratna and Yoga Champion Awards. He conducts free yoga and meditation classes also. In collaboration with Azhagappa University, he conducts diploma and BSc yoga courses. He has also written nearly 17 books on yoga and released many CDs. He has his YouTube channel. He has written articles in famous magazines like Kumudam, Malemalar, Gokulam, and many more. He is on television channels like Kalanga TV, Podigai TV, Velicham TV, Makkal TV, and many more. He has also conducted awareness programs in many educational institutions and corporates. He has also traveled to Malaysia to conduct yoga programs. On behalf of our management and staff and students, I welcome you, sir, and the floor is on to you. And dear participants, um, please mute yourself and the last 15 minutes will be for question answer session. Kindly, you can unmute for the last 15 minutes and you can ask your questions or you can even post in the chat box. Sir, for your kind information, this session will be recorded, sir. Now the floor is on to you. Thank you.
O God, bless us and all in the world with peace, happiness, purity in mind, health and wealth. Good evening for all. First of all, I'd like to thank the management for giving wonderful opportunity to share my experience in the field of yoga, mudra, meditation for the 33 years. There was a marriage occasion. It was crowded. I was also there. Each and every person have given second to each other. One person informed, I am a diabetic patient. The opposite person also informed, I am also a diabetic patient. How many years you are having? I am 10 years. The opposite person informed, I am 13 years, I am senior. Likewise, other persons, I am BP patient. Yes, I am also a BP patient. In modern world, people have forgotten their name, much more bother about their diseases. Definitely, we can lead our life in a healthy and happy manner. In the present situation, you are all know very well the corona virus attacking most of the people. If your thinking is positive always, if you take corona test, the test is negative result. If your thinking is negative always, if you take corona test, the test result become positive. So we have to lead our life always positive thinking. How to get positive thinking? By way of yogic important mudras, yoga, breathing exercise, and simple chakra meditation. So today we are going to see the like this only. You are all know very well, when you come to birth during earth, first the head comes and then the leg through mother's womb. That is called the Sirasasana. So if you come to birth, whether it is a man or woman, without practicing Sirasasana, we can't come to earth. So we have already practiced Sirasasana in the mother's womb. After come to the baby is lying on the floor. It hits the one leg and another leg. It raises the one leg and another leg 1 feet. That is called Artha Halasana. Then the baby is lying on the floor and hit their hand and raise their leg. That is called Bhujangasana. The lungs will be functioning very well manner. Then the baby is sitting manner, that is called Vajrasana. Bend one leg and another leg, sit in Vajrasana. The baby is sleeping, you could have watched, the hands are like this. This is called Adi Mudra. So we have already practiced yoga, mudra, breathing exercise in our childhood onwards. Now we forgotten and we are having some problems in our body and mind. You all know very well, the body is made of millions of cells. Each cells are having 5 elements, that is called Panchabhuta. Fire element, water element, earth, Ahas, and air element. These Panchabhuta are controlled in our hands, tips also. This is called a fire element. This is water element. The tip of the ring finger is earth. This is Ahas. This is air. So mudra means we have to touch our each and every tip of the fingers. Each mudra should give wonderful prana spirit in our body, in our mind. Mudra can be practiced very easily, but the benefits are very more. In modern days, most of the people are practicing yogasanas, but yogasanas, some rules and regulations are there. PP patient and heart problem patient, neck pain, back pain patient should practice some asanas and should not practice some asanas. There is a rules and regulations are there. You should follow correctly through the proper yoga master, and then only the benefit will become correctly. As far as mudra is concerned, it is very good art. Each and every person can practice. There is no side effect, but the benefits are more. The rules and regulations of mudra is very simple. Mudras can be practiced in the morning, afternoon, and evening before food. If you take food, 2 hours gap is essential. Each mudra you have to practice in a straight manner. Your backbone should be in straight. And you have to watch your breathing for 10 to 20 seconds. You can practice each mudra 2 minutes only. If you practice properly, definitely you can attain the wonderful benefit. So today, first session, we have to go to see, practice important general mudra, and also how to protect our lungs, how to get good oxygen and good prana in our body, how to activate our lungs in always in a perfect manner. Lungs related mudra also today we have to see. Sit in a straight, your backbone should be in a straight manner. Close your eyes, watch your breathing for 10 seconds. Just to closely watch your breathing. Open your eyes. First mudra is called chin mudra. You will first watch my hand. Join the tip of the thumb finger and index finger. Like this. This is called the chin mudra. You first closely watch my hand. Join your thumb finger and index finger, tip of the index finger. Give slowly touch Close your eyes, watch your breathing. Your hand should be near knee. You have to fix your hand in knee also. Close your eyes, watch your breathing gently. Tension, stress. The benefits of these mudras are pressure, tension, get relief. Your brain cells will be activated in a very good manner. Positive think always increased. And is there any negative thoughts in your mind? It should be deleted immediately. If you practice this mudra daily for 2 minutes, you are always having positive energy, positive thinking. Tension, stress will be relieved. Open your eyes very slowly. Come to normal position. Next mudra is called Abana mudra. You just watch my hand. Bend your middle finger and ring finger in between. Touch your thumb finger like this. This is called Abana mudra. You can put your hand in your knee. You just watch my finger and then you can practice like this. Close your eyes, watch your breathing gently. Constipation problem solved. Functioning of heart very well manner. Digestion also functioning in a very well manner. Gastric problem solved. This mudra cure gastric disorders, constipation problem and piles also. Open your eyes very slowly, come to normal position. Next mudra is called Varana mudra. Bend your little finger and thumb finger, tip of the thumb finger like this. Touch your little finger and thumb finger tip. Okay. Varana mudra, close your eyes, watch your breathing gently. It cures diabetics, it cures skin diseases and preventive manner. Those who are having sugar, you can practice this mudra daily for 2 minutes, 3 times. 21 days, definitely you can achieve very good result. It cures sugar and diabetes. Close your eyes, watch your breathing gently. Relax. Next mudra is called Adi mudra. You just watch my hand. Bring your thumb finger like this. Close your 4 fingers like this. Okay. Bring your thumb finger like this. Close your 4 fingers. Deep inhale and deep exhale for 5 times. Then normal breathing. Close your eyes. Watch your breathing. It regulates the enhanced flow of prana throughout our body. You can get positive thinking. All negative thoughts, negative thinking will be removed in our body and mind. Self-confidence will be increased day by day. Get relief of stress, tension, anger. Closely watch your breathing. Relax. Next one important mudra, Shunya mudra. You just watch. Bend your middle finger and fix your thumb in the middle. Okay, bend your middle finger and touch your thumb in the middle finger. Like this, Shunya mudra, very good mudra. Neck pain, thyroid, parathyroid, hyperthyroid problem solved. It protects the heart, cures the pain in the neck, excellent functioning of thyroid. Relax. Now, continuously we have to practice now 5 important mudras which related to our lungs capacity will be increased and to protect coronavirus and any virus. First mudra is called branchial mudra. You first watch and then you have to practice very slowly.
Keep your index finger and ring finger like this and join your middle finger and thumb finger.
One more time, you just watch.
Fold your index finger and ring finger and keep it under your thumb finger. Now join your middle finger and thumb finger. Your forefinger should be like this.
Close your eyes, watch your breathing. This is called the branchial mudra. Very good strengthening of our lungs, right side and left side. Receiving wonderful prana. You have to practice 2 minutes daily. Second mudra is called asma mudra. You just watch in my hand finger.
Slowly bend your middle finger and it should be touching like this. Your thumb finger should be facing your heart and the rest of the fingers should be like this. There should be a gap between the two hands.
One more time, you just watch. One more time.
Slowly bend your middle finger and keep your thumb finger like this. Rest of the fingers should be parallel to each other.
This is called asma mudra. It also gives wonderful energy for right side and left side lungs. You have to practice 2 minutes daily. Relax. Next mudra is called Brahma mudra.
Keep your hands in Adi mudra. And now
Then join like this. One more time, you just watch. First position. Then join your both the hand fingers like this. Brahma mudra. Close your eyes. Watch your breathing gently for 2 minutes. Relax. Next mudra is called Ganesha mudra. Fold your left hand like this. Then join like this. Okay. This is called Ganesha mudra. One more time, just watch. Left hand like this. Then right hand like this. Join your both the fingers. Closely watch your breathing in a relaxed manner. left side and right side lungs functioning will be in very well manner. Relax. Then last mudra, Linga mudra, you just watch. Join your all fingers like this. Left and thumb should be in a straight manner. Okay. Normal breathing. One more time. Interlock your all fingers like this. Left and thumb should be in a straight manner. Closely watch your breathing. It gives wonderful prana energy in your entire body. Lungs functioning will be in a very well manner. Relax. So the sequence of 5 mudra is very important for protecting our lungs and protecting any virus in our body. We have to practice these 5 mudra one more time. First mudra is called the branchial mudra, like this.
Keep your little finger, ring finger under your thumb finger. Now slowly join your middle finger and thumb finger. Your index finger should be facing downwards.
This is branchial mudra. You can practice 2 minutes. First this mudra. After finishing this mudra, second mudra is called asma mudra.
Slowly join your middle finger and your thumb finger should be facing your heart. Rest of the 3 fingers should be parallel to each other.
Two minutes you got to practice daily. Third mudra is called Brahma mudra.
Keep your hands in Adi mudra. Now slowly join.
Like this. Okay. Normal breathing. You can practice 2 minutes. Relax. Next mudra is called Ganesha mudra. Left hand should be like this. Right hand. Okay, this is called Ganesha mudra. Normal breathing. You can get wonderful prana in right side and left side lungs. Relax. Last mudra, Linga mudra. Interlock all your fingers like this. Left hand thumb should straight. Closely watch your breathing. You can practice 2 minutes. Relax. Very simple and without any side effect, but you are getting wonderful benefit in your entire body and mind also. In our body, we are having 5 layers. The 5th layer is called Atma, spirit, spiritual body. If you practice mudras, you can get wonderful energy in your spiritual body that will cure all mental diseases and any chronic diseases also. You will get wonderful prana, spiritual prana artel in your lungs, right side and left side lungs. The next we have to see simple breathing exercises. That is called Nadi Shuddhi. By way of practicing simple Nadi Shuddhi, each and every person should lead their life in a healthy and happy manner, because if you practice breathing exercises, you are getting wonderful strength in your lungs and all wastage in our body and mind removed daily. First, sit in a straight manner. Left hand should be chin mudra like this, tip of the index and thumb finger, left hand. You can use your right hand only. You just watch and then you have to practice very slowly. Close your right nostril with right thumb. Inhale very slow and exhale very slow through left nostril like this. Close your right nostril with the help of right thumb. Inhale and exhale left nostril 10 times. Very slow and deep inhale. Very slow and deep exhale. Relax. Then close your right nostril with the help of ring finger. You got to close your left nostril. Inhale right and exhale right. Close your left nostril with the ring finger like this. Deep inhale and deep exhale through right nostril. Relax. Next exercise, you just watch. Close your right nostril. Inhale left. Close your left nostril. Exhale right. Again, inhale left very slowly. Close your left nostril. Exhale right very slowly. Left inhale, right exhale. Again, left inhale, right exhale. Relax. Then right inhale, left exhale. Close your left nostril, inhale right. Close your right nostril, exhale left. Again inhale right. Close your right nostril, exhale left. Relax. One more exercise. Round the clock, we have to practice. Start with the left. You just watch. Close your right. Inhale left. Exhale right. Inhale right. Exhale left. Inhale left. Exhale right. Inhale left, right. Exhale left. Round the clock. Relax. One more pulling exercise. You just watch. Both the hands should be in Chin Mudra like this. Inhale through mouth like this. Close your mouth. Breathe out through nose very slowly. Again inhale through mouth. Close your mouth. Breathe out through nose. Inhale through mouth. Close your mouth. Breathe out through nose very slowly. While inhaling through mouth, you feel that you are receiving cooling prana in your body. While exhaling, you feel that all heat prana in your stomach will come out. You can practice 10 times in your home. Relax. One more simple exercise. You just watch. Your both hands should chin mudra like this. Inhale both the nostril very slowly. Hold your breathing for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly breathe out both the nostril. One more time. Inhale both the nostril very slowly and deeply. Hold your breathing for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly breathe out. One more time. Inhale both the nostril very slowly and deeply. Hold your breathing for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly breathe out. You can practice 10 times in your home. The next session is called Simple Chakra Meditation. It will give wonderful result. It will strengthen in your entire inner parts of the organs, and all negative thoughts removed, and you are always living in a positive thought manner. Especially present living is a pleasant living. If you practice this meditation for daily 10 minutes, definitely you can lead your life in a healthy and a happy manner. Your present living is a pleasant manner. You have to practice like this. Both the hands, chin mudra like this. Close your eyes. Sit in a straight. Close your eyes. Deep inhale and deep exhale for 3 times. Focus your mind to your head, outer parts of our muscles. Close your eyes. Focus your mind to your head, outer parts of our muscles. Concentrate on that part. Think that the tension on that muscles is now releasing. Relax deeply with the help of your mind. Think that there is no tension in your head, outer parts of our muscles. Focus your mind to your shoulder, outer parts of our muscles. Concentrate on that part. Think that the tension on that muscles is now released. Deeply relax with the help of your mind. Focus your mind to your right hand, outer parts of our muscles. Concentrate on that part. Think that the tension on that muscles is now released. Relax deeply with the help of your mind. Deeply relax. Focus your mind to your left hand, outer parts of our muscles. Concentrate on that part. Deeply relax. The tension on that muscles is now released. Relax deeply. Just outer parts of our muscles. Focus your mind on that part. Deeply relax. Stomach, outer parts of our muscles. Concentrate on that part. Relax deeply. Right leg and left leg, outer parts of our muscles. Focus your mind on that part. Relax deeply. The tension on that muscles is now releasing. Deeply relax. Now focus your mind to your brain inside. Concentrate on that part. Deeply relax. There is no mental worries. relax deeply. There is no negative thoughts on that part. Deeply relax. Pituitary and pineal gland, which is nearer to your brain. Concentrate on that part. Relax deeply. There is no tension on that part. Deeply relax. Throat inside, thyroid and parathyroid. Concentrate on that part. Deeply relax. Heart inside, thymus gland. Focus your mind on that part. Relax deeply. There is no tension on that part. Deeply relax. Stomach inside, large and small intestine, pancreas. Concentrate on that part. Relax deeply. Right leg and left leg inside. Concentrate on that part. Deeply relax. Now focus your mind to your spinal cord inner portion, spinal cord end portion. That is called the Muladhara Chakra. Concentrate on that part. Think that you are receiving energetic prana on that chakra. Closely watch your breathing on that chakra. Spinal cord end portion, inner portion. Closely watch your breathing on that chakra. You are receiving energetic prana now on that chakra. Gonad gland is functioning with the help of the chakra. You are receiving wonderful energy on that part now. Next chakra is called Swazhisthana, 4-inch upward from Muladhara chakra, 4-inch upward from your spinal cord end portion. Concentrate on that part. Watch your breathing on that chakra. Now you are receiving wonderful prana on that chakra. Adrenal gland is functioning with the help of this chakra. Focus your mind to your stomach inside Manipuraka chakra. Closely watch your breathing on that part. Now you are receiving energetic prana on that chakra. Anahata chakra, heart inside. Focus your mind on that part. Closely watch your breathing. You are receiving energetic prana in your Anahata chakra. Your lungs, right side and left side lungs, now receiving wonderful prana. Closely watch your breathing in heart inside, Anahata chakra. Focus your mind to your throat inside, Vishuddhi chakra. Closely watch your breathing on that chakra. Thyroid and parathyroid is functioning with the help of the chakra. Now you are receiving energetic prana on that part. Closely watch your breathing in your throat inside, Vishuddhi chakra. Focus your mind to your in between the eyebrows, Agnya chakra. Closely watch your breathing on that part. Pituitary, pineal gland is functioning with the help of the chakra. In between the two eyebrows, closely watch your breathing on that part. Now you are receiving energetic prana on that part, Agnya chakra. Focus your mind to your 4-inch upward from your head, Sahasrara chakra. Concentrate on that part. Now you are receiving energetic prana in your entire body. Slowly bring to your mind to your backside neck, middle of the backbone. Then slowly bring to your mind and prana to your spinal cord end portion, that is Muladhara Chakra. Focus your mind on that chakra. Closely watch your breathing for 10 to 20 seconds. Concentrate on Muladhara Chakra, spinal cord end portion, inner portion. Closely watch your breathing in a relaxed manner for 20 seconds. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Slowly open your eyes, come to normal position. This is very simple way of chakra meditation. By way of practicing this meditation, each and every person should receive wonderful prana in our entire inner parts of the organs, especially our lungs will get wonderful prana shakti, prana energy, and it will always act in a very well manner. All negative thoughts removed, and you are always having positive thoughts only. You can achieve anything, at any time. Always one can lead their life in a positive manner. All energy are in our hands, in our body itself. You can utilize the simple practicing mudras and the simple Nadi Shuddhi and the simple chakra meditation. If you practice these daily for half an hour, definitely you can lead your life in a healthy and happy manner. We can protect our lungs with corona. We can lead our life daily in a happy and healthy manner by way of practicing this simple yogic exercise. Thank you very much for giving wonderful opportunity. If you have any doubt, you can ask.
Participants, if you have any questions, you can ask, sir. Or you can post your question in the chat box. Sir, there is a question in the chat box. Mudras, you had taught many.
Yeah. I think this program is recorded and you can see 1 or 2 times. Definitely, you can easily understand the mudras. In the present modern situation, you can practice 5 important mudras like Branchial Mudra, Asma Mudra, Brahma Mudra, Ganesha Mudra, and Linga Mudra. This is enough for present situation. Okay.
And another question, there are too many mudras. Which order we have to practice?
You can practice in a, I have already informed, for protecting coronavirus, you can practice first Branchial Mudra first, and then Asma Mudra second, and then Brahma Mudra, and then Ganesha Mudra, and then Linga Mudra. This is the sequent order for protecting coronavirus. Otherwise, previously you can practice in any one manner. You can change any mudra, no problem. Okay.
And any mudra for headache?
Yes, for headache you can practice Shin Mudra like this. Okay, you can practice 5 minutes daily. Definitely headache will remove.
Hypothyroidism.
For hypothyroidism, you can practice Shunya Mudra. Bend your middle finger and the tip of the thumb finger like this. Middle finger, you got to bend your middle finger and keep the thumb finger like this. Okay.
Any mudra for eyes?
Yes, for eye problems, you can practice Prana Mudra like this. Bend your little finger and ring finger, tip of the thumb finger. Okay, this is called Prana Mudra. You can practice 5 minutes daily for 2 times. Any kind of eye problems will be solved.
Mudra for back pain.
Okay, for Mudra for back pain, you can practice Anusasana Mudra like this. Okay. This is called Anusasana Mudra. You can practice 2 to 5 minutes daily. All kinds of back pain will be relieved. One more time, just watch. Anusasana Mudra like this. Hands should be like this manner. Okay, you can practice 5 minutes daily.
Any mudra for strengthening your mind.
Okay, any mudra for strengthening mind. You can practice Hagini Mudra like this. You joint all your hand, tip of the hand like this. Close your eyes, watch your breathing. You can practice 5 minutes daily in the morning and evening. It will give wonderful result.
Anger
All
management.
mudras, if we provided some images, you can recall and practice.
We may forget all mudras. If we are provided some images, we can recollect and practice.
The video is recorded always. You can watch the video. Okay. You can also see my YouTube channel Patanjali Yogam. I have clearly give all kinds of mudras. Okay.
Sir, any mudra for anger management?
Yes. For anger, like this. This is called Mushti Mudra. Okay. Join your all hands. Thumb finger merge. This is called Mushti Mudra. You got to practice 5 minutes. Okay.
Post-COVID.
Can we practice mudra?
Yes. They can practice mudras, no problem.
So I think the questions are have come to an end, sir. So thank you very much, sir, and doing all the mudras and exercises and showing us how to strengthen our mind, body, and to avoid face the coronavirus also. So thank you very much for being with us and spending your valuable time for us. And one more thing, I just want to make a mention. Sir always says, "Muthirai seivom, mathirai tavirpom." So when you do the mudras, really you can avoid taking tablets. Without tablets, you can cure all your diseases. So it is like a prescription. What all the mudras he has told, it is like a prescription. If you practice in the morning, afternoon, and in the evening, you can just get rid of all your diseases. And there are 5 elements in our body. If the 5 elements are balanced, there are no diseases. Only when the 5 elements are imbalanced, then the diseases, we undergo all kind of disease. So to avoid the disease and to avoid the tablets, if you practice all this mudras, it will be very useful. That is what sir has been telling during the session. Thank you very much, sir. And on behalf of the management, our principal, staff, and students, I would like to thank you for being with us here, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.